Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to turn off or disable the Windows sound, the beep or being sounds on Windows 11, then this video is for you. For example, when you are start your PC, you enter your PC or startup, you can get a sound here for notification. You can get some sounds also for some error or some restriction. You can get some bing or beep sound from Windows. So if you want to turn off the sounds, you have to go to simply click on this start icon or the Windows icon here and simply search for control panel, and here it is. Simply click on it, and here when you are on control panel, you can find the sounds here. You can find the sounds in everywhere in this row or in this row. You can find it. Now simply double click on this sound here, and when you are on sound, you can find sounds here. Sounds. Now open the sounds tab. Now here you can find the sound scheme. So in this sound scheme, you can find the drop down button. Here you can find Windows default. Now we are going to select the no sounds. When you have select this no sounds, you have to do is simply uncheck this, like play Windows startup sound. Uncheck this and simply click on apply and okay. And now you can see, you can try to do something like, you can see if I click on the background, that it won't appear any sounds from here. So that's pretty much all thing. So that's how you can just turn off the Windows sounds. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.